Luke's about to fit the exhaust. New gaskets in. Just going to clean it up and come back and fit it. Before the wheel goes on, I'm going to replace this seal. I'm going to clean it all up so we don't get any dirt and debris inside the final drive. And before the wheel goes on, I'll replace the brake pad. Downpipes on with new nuts. They're all loose because we need to get this centre section in first, make sure it all lines up before we tighten anything. Got one carbon gasket on, need to put the other one on. Whilst we're here, I've just fitted the new pads off camera, so it's all done and clean. Both exhaust pipes are on, new nuts on, just got to tighten them up. Gaskets are already in. Clamps all cleaned up. I had to put a new bolt in the centre because it was so rotten, it sheared. Exhaust is on now, brackets are on, O2 sensor's plugged in, stand is on. Just need to put the wheel in now before I put the rear exhaust on, put the caliper on, and we can repair the broken ABS wire. Most of the bike's back together now, apart from the tank, but I needed to gain access to this wiring that we have to repair for the ABS. This is the main wiring loom. Thankfully this plug's still okay. We just need to sort this one out. Now, I could have used billet terminals to make it all good, but I've actually ordered the correct kit for it. We use a supplier that makes these special connectors for motorcycles and cars. I'm just going to use the female part to replace this one. Sorry to interrupt your video mid-flow. You know how technology has moved on with cars and motorcycles, and sometimes they pack up. Well, I had one of those moments with this. As I was doing the last part of the video in, where I got the bike running and road tested it, sadly lost that footage. But on the previous video where I skipped some of the repair work on the block, the upside down engine where the sump went on, I'm going to add that onto this as bonus footage so you can enjoy some of those, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Got it out. So these are 6 more bolts. So if I draw this to 5.5, I should have just enough space to re-tap these. Fixed. That's a new hole, this is the original hole. So I'm just going to do these 2 and then drill this last one out and tap that one. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. This job wasn't without its challenges. We had a bit of a nightmare with bits going wrong and escalating the work. Parts taking 3 months to get. It was a nightmare. Thankfully with specialist tools, it made our life a little bit easier. We managed to get through some of these challenges. We got the bike back to the customer. The challenges included loss of video. I hope you enjoyed the bits I included in there from the previous video that I left out. If you missed parts 1 and 2, click the icons to your right. And if you did like the video, please hit the like button so others can enjoy it. And also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified next time I upload a video. Okay guys.